So in Ultibake 2, we finally have the Atlas baking feature, which has been a long-awaited bake ability. And simply put, you can now bake any set of objects, any arbitrary set of objects, as a single atlas with all the maps. And this is a really big deal, because now not only can you create your own custom decals, you can create trim sheets as well. Like this, there's a lot of different materials, objects, and now it's in one texture. And this one even has the emission, as you can see. Very useful stuff. And to do it, it's pretty simple. So let's just delete this. You make a new bake set. You call it, I don't know, random objects in this case. And then you just select the collection which has the objects. So you put it as the decals, and it will turn into Atlas. And let's bake this again. So let's change something. So let's go to emission again, and let's make this pink so we can see the difference. Let's change this as well to something else. Like that. And if we do finalize, we will get the results. Like so. And everything is here, even the emission. So let's double check. Base color, alpha. Let's pin this first. The normals, the occlusion, roughness, metallic, and the emission. And emission strength. It's in the alpha channel in this case. Very useful stuff.